Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Auto Model from Hugging Face Transformers Library. Auto Model. So, what is Auto Model? Think of it as your universal remote for loading powerful pre-trained AI models. This Hugging Face hub has thousands of these models already trained on vast amount of text. Loading different types of model like BERT or GPT would require different code for each model. Auto Model is smart. You just have to give it the name of retrained model, let's say bird based uncased model, and it automatically figures out the correct architecture and loads it up for you. No need for you to specify bird model or GPT-2 model explicitly. This makes your code cleaner and your life easier. Well, the world of AI language models or transformers is incredibly diverse. You have got BERT for great understanding, then GPT, amazing for generating text, T5, which can do almost anything related to text, and many more. Each of these similarities has lots of different pre-trained versions, fine-tuned for specific tasks or languages. Before auto model, if you wanted to try BERT, you would write a piece of one piece of loading code. Then if you wanted to try GPT-2 model, you will have to write another different piece of code. Comparing models was slow and a bit of a headache before. So how does the auto model actually does it? It is not magic, but it is clever standardization. When you ask auto model to load a model, it first looks for a file called config.json. This file is model's instruction manual for its DNA. It tells auto model everything about the model's architecture, its type, how many layers it has, the size of its component, and so on. You can even open the config.json file yourself. It is human readable. Once auto model reads the blueprint, it knows exactly what kind of model structure to build. Then it loads up pre-trained weights, that is actual knowledge, the actual learned knowledge of the model from another file, often called PyTorch model.bin. These weights are what makes the model intelligent. This whole system relies on this standard file formats. Let's quickly recap the main advantages of auto model. First, it makes loading models incredibly simple. You don't need to be an expert on every model's internal details. Auto model handles the complexity by giving you easy access to that huge library of models on the Hugging Face hub. Secondly, it massively speeds up experimentation. Want to try different model? Often you just need to change the model's name. This means you can test many what if scenarios and which is much faster. Now, auto model loads the model's brain. But how do you actually talk to it? AI models don't understand raw text like hello Python, like raw text directly. They are mathematical machines, so they need numbers to work. This is where tokenizations come in. It is essential pre-processing step. Tokenization converts your input text into numerical format the model can understand. It breaks text into smaller pieces called tokens. This can be words, parts of speech, or even characters. Interestingly, different model might break down the same sentence in different tokens. Each token is then mapped to unique ID number. These sequences of numbers are what get fed into the model. And that was a quick introduction to auto model. Understanding this will make your journey into world of transformers much smoother. Thanks for watching.